आकाशवाणी इम्फाल वाहेंगबम राजेश ने पाव पाजरी। Manipur Water Prevention and Control Pollution Amendment Act Lising Ani Kunmari Chanhanaba Kendra gi Environment Forest amasung Climate Change Mantri Bhupender Yadav na Rajya Sabha ngasi Statutory Resolution ama pukakre tungda sabana Rashtrapati Sasan leriba Manipur da Act asi chanhanaba voice vote ta pass tauki Act adu tongan ba sadasya singna makoi gi oiba mot sing phongdoknaki Rajya Sabha sadasya Maharashtra Laisemba Sana Jawbanasu mahaki oiba mot phongdokpaga loinana resolution adu pass tawbada sawgatli haiki
I wholeheartedly support the resolution and grateful to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and Honorable Minister Sri Bhupendra Yadav ji for bringing this statutory resolution in the House. Parliament had enacted the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 to provide for the prevention and control of water pollution, but the Act was amended recently by the Parliament as Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Amendment Act 2024 for discriminalizing and rationalizing minor offences to further trust-based governance for ease of living and doing business. This House desires that the Water Prevention and the Controls of Pollution Amendment Act 2024 to adopt in the state of Manipur by passing a resolution in this House under Clause 1 of Article 252 of the Constitution of India, and I support the resolution to pass.
Lok Sabha na ngasi Central Excise Amendment Bill lising ani kun mga pass tawkre. International Day of Person with Disabilities lising ani kun mga ngasi Manipur gi mafang kya da paksan na pangthok na ke kumsi sahigi hiram na fostering disability inclusive societies for advancing social progress haibasini Raijagi Social Welfare Vivang na sinduna ngasi Imphal gi City Convention Center da pangthokiba International Day of Person with Disabilities thoram aduda Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel saruk yaki Thauram aduda jati thakta pangthokpa competition singda saruk yaruba disability sanaroi singbu taramna oki makhoi sing adugi manungda Madhya Pradesh ta pangthokiba National Wheelchair Basketball Tournament ta ahanba mana phanglakraba Goa da pangthokiba ahumsuba National Cerebral Palsy Football Championship lising ani kunmanga amadi taranithoi suba National Olympics Skill Competition da medal phanglakraba sing yauri Loinana thoram aduda disable sing da aids amadi assistive device sing kusinaki India Meteorological Department Imphal Center na hairi lagliba numit humni asida Raija sigi mafam kharada leisil kungna thagani Imphal East, Imphal West, Bisnupur, Thoubal, Kaksing, Tamenglong, Senapati, Churachandpur, Fairjol amadi Ukhrul jila da ayu anganbada leisil kungna thagani Amaromda Senapati jila da ngasi ingbagi chang Celsius degree 8.9 yauki Raijagi Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na piba aying asagi report matungina Ukhrul jila da ingbagi sang Celsius degree 9.13 Imphal West jila da na 9.8 ani Imphal East da 9.8 Tamenglong jila da 9.3 yauki 20 packs Development Committee gi anirak suba mifam ngasi Moirang khunong da pangthokre mifam aduda Manipur da housing oiriba cooperative gi phibam amadi Tripura Raija gi khenaba adugi matang da kupna khanaki mifam aduda wangang bada committee gi president TS Ibom Chan hai Manipur da cooperative movement ningthina sangsilaba matamda awonba khunai ama purakpa ngamgani loinana tampaki saruk sing Kalen amadi ningtham lorok ningthina loklaba matamda wata padaba lamdam ama oiba ngamgani Chhattisgarh gi Bijapur jila da chathagiba operation amada security personnel ahum amadi Maoist ki miyoi 12 sire jawan ahum na chokle Bijapur jila gi SP Jitendra Yadav na hai akaknaba paw ama phangbadagi Bijapur Dantewara jila gi ngamkhai paringda Maoising leire haiba paw phangbadagi District Reserve Guard Special Task Force Cobra Unit amasung CRPF na Dantewara amasung Bijapur jila da thi humbagi thabak chatharaki maduda Kutuknabagi thogdok adu thokibani Bastard Range ki IGP Sundar Raj na hai mafam adudagi Maoist gi haksang tare phangle masigi mathakta rifle amasung atei pokhai beyaba masak mathum sing phangle World Meteorological Organization WMO na Asia Mahadesa ising ichaw kayamram thoklaba yai haina section wa thamkre kumgi nong amasung nonglei nungsina kha amasung kha nongpok Asia gi mafam kyada ising ichaw thokpadigi mioi kya leikidre kaya amana leifam chafam khangdre Geneva da pangthopa UN gi pawgi mifam amada WMO na hai Philippines Thailand Vietnam amasung Sri Lanka na khwaidagi solaba mafam oiri United Nations Children Fund UNICEF ki matungina nonglei nisit ditwana angang lak ani lising humudra mangamrom soalle Paul Loijare